Here at Fortress Building Products, we manufacture outdoor building products, composite decking, iron and aluminum rail and fencing. The first time we did a full inventory count after launch in Deposco, it greatly decreased the time it took. Because before we had sticky notes on product, people would have to come by, collect all the notes, add them all up. Now they just scan the product and it goes directly into the system.
Deposco was easy to learn because right from the get-go we had the whole Deposco team with us for about a week and a half maybe. We were able to get our information that we needed and we ran with it, and I think to this day we're still having that good communication. So Deposco was really easy for us to learn, easy for us to adapt to, and easy for us to still manage without having Deposco there, you know.
One of the best things I like about Deposco is the customer support team, their availability through email, through phone calls, after hours, always being able to respond to the needs of Fortress to implement, whether we have an error in the system that we can't figure out, whether it's some customization that we need to fit our programs, or it's something that somebody else has come up with the idea that they're, hey, what do you think about this idea of implementing? Would this be able to help you? So their customer support team is one of the best.
Before we implemented Deposco here at Fortress, once product was shipped, those tracking numbers were manually entered or typed on a piece of paper that was given to customer service that then they had to put into our system. Now, once a product is shipped, it immediately goes into the system and is relayed to the customer.
Deposco's been able to speed up our picking processes through some new implementation things that we've been able to get through with customer support. Our inventory tracking, we're able to track discrepancies a lot better if there's any issues, and our cycle counts were holding at 99–98% when we implemented Deposco, so it's been a great tool to use.